Welcome. I say welcome to Steven Social Media Marketing today. I'm happy because today I want to tell you things that will help you to grow your Facebook account. Okay. Today I want to start from where we stopped. We actually create the account. Now I want to actually add up things to the account. Write about page, write so many things, add things and stuff like that. But if you hang on to the end, at the end of the training today, I will show you where you can get post. Okay, some people wonder how will I be able to post things that people will like and love and do this and that. Don't worry, okay? You are here. I'll guide you. So I'll show you can actually get post and actually post these things that can bring you followers and people that will actually view it, and they will from viewing it they will remain with you. Okay, so today tips, if you're able to stay to the end, you'll be amazed at what I will give you. Even if you have a Facebook already, if you apply the formula, you will tell me that thank you Steven because you've made my day. So without wasting time, let's continue. So now this is our new fresh Facebook account. I'll come over there. If you check, this is exactly where we stop. I told that you can start writing and posting. So today let's now start up process of finishing this account. So first of all, go check your right hand side up. You see there's already kind of Facebook have sent you a message or something notification. Don't worry about that. So just go ahead and click on that image. You see the image here? Click on the image. Let's go and update our profile. If you click on the image, it will bring you straight to where I'm going to add image. Okay, and please, as you are coming over, make sure that your picture is ready, your Facebook banner is ready. Banner, that's what will stay here. They are all ready. Okay, because I'm going to make use of them right now and here. Firstly, we start with the picture. So why do you change the picture? You come over here, you check picture, is where they write, you see something like a photo, right? And this small picture here, you see what I'm talking? See it here. So click on it. Okay, I click on the picture and it will ask you for the ones you have already. So without much ado, I'm going to use it. Okay, but you have another one to use. Maybe you don't like this, maybe you have other picture that you prepare to use. Kindly go ahead and make use of it. Okay, so upload this and let's go on. So in case the picture is too big, Facebook is asking you to crop the picture. Okay, check here, so you can crop this picture or you can make it a little bit temporary or permanent or whatever. Okay, and if you check up here, it's telling you to write anything. So you can use here to write anything, maybe a subheading or whatever you feel like writing. If you don't want to write anything, don't worry, just go down here and save. Well, let me just write something here, and I have already some prepared stuff that I want to use for this. So I just come over here and check the title of which has to do with financial education and inspirational videos. So I just write basic financial education. Basic financial education and inspirational stroke motivational quotes and animated videos. You can put it, you may leave it. Okay, now we are going to meet it later on, so we don't need to worry ourselves too much about this. Okay, so once you are done, you've kind of crop it and done the necessary thing, then you click on save. Okay, so let's save so I can move on to the next stage. Yeah, of course, that's saved. You see my name appears and stuff like that. So the next we want to do is our Facebook banner. This is your Facebook banner. Okay, if you don't have to create a banner, you can pay someone to create it for you or go to Canva. Let me show you canva.com. Here in Canva will help you to create any type of banner you can think of. If you go to Canva, you go to search, let it open. Just hope it won't waste time because of okay, I think it's opening fast. Yeah, so if you come over to create, it will ask you to search for what you are looking for, and here there you type Facebook banner, take you straight to Facebook banner. It show you some templates. You can choose any of those templates, just modify, drag and drop. Okay, and before you know it, you've gotten a very fine, reasonable template. But if you don't know it, you can also contact me. I'm a graphic designer. I'm not professional anyway, but I know I can give you something that is okay. But it's going to pay for it. It's not free. Or you can also meet any graphic designer out there, and they will help you. They will create a good banner for you. You come over to Canva and make sure that the size fit into that Facebook banner, and then you make use of it. Or you can go to Fiverr. Okay, Fiverr, you see freelancers will charge you a few money and also create a fine banner for your Upwork. So you have a variety of places you can go to get a banner. Please let the banner be something that is very, very attractive. Okay, remember, this is social media, and before people will like to do anything with you, you have to attract them. It's like a bait. Okay, should put anything you put there should be something that will attract somebody to come, something that will make somebody to come and stay with you. Okay, so always have that at the back of your mind. Having said this, let's continue. So it's now asking us, let's go back to our Facebook, say add a cover page. So we click on add a cover. As for me, mine is also the same place, so I'll go and get it right away. Let me choose it, let me upload it. I have it on my that same download, so I'll go to my download and get it uploaded. I think it's on my download. Let me just search for it and get it now. Yeah, here there are. I'll just make use of this, but just note one thing: you can change the banner anytime, any day, so don't worry too much about this. Okay, you can put something later on, you change it. Okay, so just click on open, let it fit in. If it didn't fit, you also have to, just the way you crop your image, you can also crop it to fit in. Okay, so let's try and crop it to fit in. At least if you can able to show the ones that we want it to show, that is what matters. Okay, and if you didn't show every other thing, but the most important ones is able to show it. I think this is okay by me. So bring yours to, if it's not okay, arrange it, design it the way you want, and once you're through, you upload it, right? I like what I'm seeing. This is okay by me. I actually did create this thing myself. I think this is not AI, it's purely created by me. So because I want you to look like old man, olden days, I was telling stories. Because remember, like in my profile, I was going to work on a profile now. I also include some Bible stories on it, apart from financial education, inspiration, and the rest of them. So I come over here and click on Save Changes. So that, you see what I went? You go to your right, at the top right, you see Save Changes. Click on it, and the changes will be saved. So congratulations, you just finished creating your banner and your profile picture. So let's move ahead and add more things to this. Okay, so you're gonna scroll down, just scroll down a bit, and you see where they write your profile. Okay, under your profile you see where they say add bio. So this one will add all our information. So in our next video, I'm going to show you how you can add this information one after the other. So for today, create your banner and see you in our next class. Thank you and bye.